Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5.4 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Sony. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Now we need to get this free app from Flare to developer, and when it's ready, open it. Then, thanks to this app, you will be able to access all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!